Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV22. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV22 is only lasting 5 minutes or less, you're likely dealing with a failing battery or other power issues. This can happen due to wear and tear over time, and if left unresolved, it can lead to further complications or even damage to your vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring longevity, so let's get started on the repair. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery suitable for the Dyson SV22, and a soft cloth to protect the surfaces. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and has been turned off. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back of the handle. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing with the flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage any clips or the casing itself. Now that the casing is open, you can locate the battery, which is usually situated at the bottom of the handle assembly. Check for any signs of corrosion or damage on the battery connections, as this could also contribute to power issues. To extract the battery, disconnect the cables carefully. You may need to apply a bit of force, but be cautious not to pull too hard, as this can damage the wires. Once the battery is free, take your new replacement battery and connect it to the same cables, ensuring a secure fit. Remember to follow the polarity, the positive and negative terminals must match. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After connecting the new battery, carefully reposition the casing and press it back into place, ensuring that it clicks securely. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the plastic. Finally, give your Dyson SV22 a test run to ensure it runs smoothly and the battery is holding charge. To prevent this issue from recurring, make it a habit to clean the battery contacts regularly and check for wear and tear on your device. Keeping the vacuum clean and well maintained will also help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.